Okay, this is our section on tarantulas and scorpions. Tarantulas and scorpions, believe it or not, can be used to teach a lot of different things with a natural selection and behavior traits with among a genus of animals. We have two different tarantulas. We have a pink-toed tarantula and a rose-haired tarantula, which I will show you in a second. And they are the same genus but different species. These guys have totally different behaviors, where the pink-toed tarantula, which is in that cage right there, spends 99%, if not 100% of the time in the air. It climbs and rarely ever touches the ground. Needs a tremendous amount of moisture because of the environment that it's found in, or the habitat that it's found in, and basically is an ambush predator while the animals are just kind of walking by or moseying along their way. The pink-haired tarantula jumps out very quickly, or jumps from a tree and lands on it and eats it. The pink-toed tarantula can jump 20-30 feet, land on the ground, and be fine. Kind of floats through the air while it's falling, hits the ground to get its food or its prey item. Needs lots of moisture, and can actually walk on water because of surface tension and spreading its body out with surface area. It can walk on water. The scorpion, which is right here in the middle, is an ambush predator also. I'll zoom in on. He's actually out. He's right there. This is a red-clawed scorpion. Something that's very neat about him that you can use to teach is that they have a ability to emit UV light or reflect UV light, and at nighttime this would be very beneficial for the red-clawed tarantula, for other animal or other insects or other animals, I guess, that can see in that spectrum. This guy doesn't want to be stepped on. He doesn't want to be necessarily ate by other prey items, predators that would eat him. So if he emits this light and reflects this light, and the guys can see him and they want to avoid him, they can get out the way. So it's a useful evolutionary trait that this guy has to emit, or not emit, but reflect UV light in order to prevent it from being stepped on or ate by a predator that doesn't necessarily want to eat him. They start eating him and go, ugh, and kind of spit him out, and it was a waste for the animal that was going to eat him, and also, of course, a waste for him because he'd be dead now. So that helps out a lot with regards to reflecting that light, and I'll show you that in 1 second. Over here we have a rose-haired tarantula, which I'll pick up the camera now and go over here so you can get a better view. Same genus as the pink-toed tarantula, but opposite behavior. Spends all its time on the ground as an ambush predator. These guys do not climb at all. If they fall from a height of 4 to 5 feet, it could be deadly to them. So they want to stay on the ground and blend in with their surrounding. You can hold him. I'll have some gloves for you. Don't really want the other kids to hold him. They can maybe touch the back part of him, but we don't want, I'm sorry, I kind of got off the camera there. We don't want them to hold them because they might be scared, jump, and there goes our tarantula. And these guys cost about $20 or $30 a piece. So just a little poke there so they can feel them would be about that. And you saw I scared him, so he jumped back, or he turned around really quick. So he wasn't expecting that, so he kind of jumped really quick. Total different behavior in comparison to the pink-toed tarantula. And I will zoom in on the pink-toed now. Before going to the pink-toed, I'm going to show you this black light that we have that you can show the kids when they are here doing the field trips. I'm going to shine the black light on this tarantula, and you can see that it reflects the UV light there really well. So if I have that type of sight where I can see that spectrum and I'm a insect or an animal just walking around and I see that, I can get the heck out the way. All right, and last but not least, there is the pink-toed tarantula. Okay, he's not there. He's usually there. Let me see where he's at. Oh, there he is. He's back in the back there. Again, not on the ground, climbing. Hates to be on the ground, and there he is. You can see the pink toe there, the pink toes. And these guys run very quick, very sporadic. We won't be getting him out. We'll just use him as a display. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.